Hi guys, welcome to AP Environmental Science. I'm sorry I'm not there with you today, but I'm hoping that our quick video here will kind of help you walk through what's expected of you today. First of all, I need you to make sure you sit in appropriate locations. So if you are students that are coming on A days, you are going to be utilizing the desks that have red tape on them. If you are coming on B days, you are going to be utilizing the desks with no tape. For the time being, I really don't care which desks or where in the classroom you're sitting, but make sure that you follow those restrictions in terms of red tape or no tape. For today in class, I will need you to log on to Canvas. Make sure that you see our page for this course and that the first couple of modules are there for you. So there should be a classroom materials module for you where you will find the syllabus, a copy of a lab safety contract, and then another module that's called Apes, Let's Do This. And that's where you will find our start of the semester activities that you will be completing over the next few days. I would like you to also go through the Remind sign up. Those instructions can be found under the Apes Let's Do This module. You will sign up for the Remind notifications, and then you can text me with any questions or concerns you may have during the course of the year. You will also grab a textbook today. At the front of the room, you will see there are boxes of brand new textbooks. There's also a couple of stacks of AP textbooks. Make sure that you grab one of the books from the box, from one of the boxes. Do not grab textbooks that are stacked in the room. They're older edition. I want to make sure that you're grabbing the third edition of the textbook. You will sign out a book, so make sure you fill out the textbook inventory sheet that should be up front. You may ask the substitute. He should have access to that document. You will fill out your name and the number of the textbook that you're grabbing. The number can be found on the inside of the front cover of the book. So make sure you fill that out correctly so we can keep track of the books. You should also grab a green lab safety contract. The copies are made for you up front. You will take that home, read through it, have it signed, and then return to me as soon as possible. Tomorrow or on your next remote day, whichever comes first, what you will do is you will read through the lab safety contract. Make sure you study it because you are going to be taking a test on that material next week. In addition, I want you to locate and read through the syllabus that's uploaded on Canvas. Lastly, I would like you to fill out a seating chart with the substitute today to make sure that we know exactly where everybody is sitting during the day. He should have a document that he will fill out just with your first and last name. That should be sufficient. That's all I have for you for today. I'm sorry I missed you today. I will hope to be there as soon as possible. We are quarantined at my house. So I'm hoping that it's going to be short-lived here and we are going to be in person as soon as possible. In the meantime, if you have any questions, shoot me an email, shoot me a text through Remind, whichever you prefer. But I do want you to make sure you sign up for Remind and that you go through Canvas and you see what's out there. No need to download any notes, no need to do any assignments at this point. There is quite a few assignments already on there. You don't need to worry about that. If you're looking for things to read, I would say start with chapter 1 in our textbook. Chapter 1 is very easy kind of overview of environmental science. Chapter 2 is a review of chemistry. That's pretty much what our first unit is going to be focused on, those two chapters. But we'll get to that material when I'm there with you. Next week, hopefully, if not next week, the week after, we are going to suit up in our waders and get into the Kaneland pond, where you're going to collect some pond water, and we're going to start with a really cool project that hopefully you will be able to take home at the end of the year. So it should be exciting. Until then, if you're looking for stuff to read chapter 1 and 2. Make sure you're connected through Remind and that you're familiar with Canvas stuff. No assignments at this point. We will get to that next week. I will see you then.